Today we're going to draw a snowman ice cream cake from Baskin Robbins. So let's get started. To draw this super cute cake, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of our cake. So I'm going to come right here and I'll just go ahead and draw a big curve. And so we're aiming to create an oval. So I'll just kind of drag my point across and about right here. Just only because I'm drawing pretty big, so I just want to make sure I'm coming, my curves kind of ending at the same level. So nice big curve. And then I'm going to start to bring it in to create our oval. Same thing here. So back and forth. And let's bring this in. And about right here. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there, but if you're using a pencil, definitely just connect it to create your oval for the top of the cake. But I'm going to stop because I don't want to erase, and kind of like right here in the center, I'm going to come about right here, nice and big, and I'm going to draw another curve. So this is for the cone that's going to stuck right in the center. So from there, now that I have this big curve, I'm going to go up to start to draw our cone. So I'm kind of going backwards. So it's come about right here. And I'm going to go up at an angle. Come right across. So on this side, I'm always coming downwards because it's just so much easier for my hand. So turn the paper if you're at home, if you need to, whatever is easiest. And about right there, I'm going to, let's see, is that tall enough? I'll bring it up. Oh, you know what? Let's just stop it right there. Not too tall. So about right there, I'm going to break it up. And let's come back right here. Add some details to our cone. And in this area, I'm going to go ahead and draw these angles. There, so now we have our cone in, and I'm going to go ahead and finish our oval. There. Okay, so we have that part done, which is the hardest because it's an oval right here. Then let's come in and draw these curves to create the melted ice cream. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to wobble my way across. There. You just want to make the ice cream look, this shape look like the ice cream melted onto the top of the cake. From there, let's draw the sides of our cake. And now that I'm pretty level with these two straight lines right here, I'm going to come about right here and we're going to start to draw the scarf. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to basically draw a curve all the way across, but using small curves to create that curve. So just going to go right across. And back up. So something like that. And then let's come over here and we're going to draw the two ends of our scarf. So it's using maybe these two curves right here. I'm just going to go ahead and extend this out. And another one. There. And then let's come around about in this area right here. Come to the top. And we're just going to thicken up our scarf. So about right here. And come all the way across. There, so we've surrounded our cake at the bottom with all this yummy cream, right? Then from there, let's draw more melted ice cream. So I'm gonna come about right here. And I'm just gonna, once again, just wobble my way across. So right here. The same thing, and then I'm gonna come in with this shape right here. And out and connect. Now that we've drawn the main shapes, let's go ahead and bring this to life and make it extra cute. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to draw a big circle for a Draw So Cute eye. And I'm going to come right across about right here. Draw another circle. From there, let's go ahead and make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw a soft curve over each eye. And let's give it a carrot nose. So right between the eyes, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And then I'm just going to sharpen it a little bit towards the bottom and around. So it's kind of this little oval shape. Then from there, let's give it a cute little smile. So about right here, I'm going to go up and cap it off. Aww, so cute, right? And then you can add some cheeks when you're coloring it. Then from there, let's add some hands. I thought this part was really cute. So these hands about right here, this melted snowman. So I'm going to come right here and curve. And then right here, I'm going to add these 2 little hands, 2 fingers right here, and thicken this up. And 1 more over on this side, so same thing, curve, and then add 2 more fingers. There, and then some buttons, of course, so right here, add some that have melted away. There, and then let's see what else are we missing. We're going to add some sprinkles on top right here. So I'm just going to draw some circles. There, and last but not least, let's add a heart, right? We have to add a heart to make it my Draw So Cute ice cream cake. So let's, okay, we'll just add it right here. Just simplify it. There, and that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this cute cake from Baskin Robbins and that I've inspired you to draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos.